What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about Workhorse. Workhorse is a electric delivery truck manufacturer, but they do more than that. They're a very ambitious company. They've been a very ambitious company for the past 5 years. I mean, from when they opened up and went public, you can see that they had a pretty good run up and then they dipped. So this could maybe be a mirror of it, but as we see, they really kind of dipped to the lows and they really had no hype, they had no news. There's really no reason for people to want to invest into it until they came up with the great news of their new 100% electric delivery trucks, which this stock does have the potential to have a similar run up to Nikola. If we look at Nikola, look at that amazing run up that they had. Now you might be saying, oh, Nikola's overbought. Well, there's no denying that it's been up here since the 12th and we're now July 1st. I mean, it's been trading up here for a while, so you definitely could secure some tendies. Now, let's talk about this. They introduced themselves into an $18 billion market. There's over 300,000 trucks that are replaced every year, and there's low competition. The only competitors that they have are Ford and Freightliner, which neither offer 100% electric vehicles. And companies may choose Workhorse over the competition, if they really care about the environment, or they want to at least look like they care, for the public. They have that public image. More and more people are fighting for the environment and global warming, and they want to reduce pollution and costs for the companies in terms of fuel. It'll definitely be fuel efficient if you don't have to use any fuel. No shit, right? So investing into these electric trucks is a huge win-win. The main business and the two main products of Workhorse are the manufacturing of the C650 and the C1000, which have a 20-year life expectancy and lower weight, so they're easier to handle and you can pack more into it, and they're lighter, using less electricity and power to function. They're also trying to develop and create a system of drone delivery, so the future on that could be astronomical if they get that done. Now, UPS is ordering more and more electric vehicles just like Amazon, so there's a huge potential there for Workhorse to be the supplier of the trucks, gaining them more revenue, more exposure, and of course profit. Also, they might acquire a new deal with USPS, the US Postal Service, which could significantly increase the stock. Also, Trump tweeted about it, so there is news and hype, but be careful around these times because there could be a drop after a potential overbuy, but we don't know if this is an overbuy or if it might continue skyrocketing. But let me know in the comments what you think about the potential drop. Are you bearish or bullish, and why? I'm genuinely curious, but you can decide on how you feel about it. Of course, at the end of the day, each of you should make your own financial decisions, especially regarding investments. But right now, it's a cheap stock to buy, so buying a couple wouldn't really cost that much, and if it did dip, you would be relatively fine as long as you're not investing with huge sums of money, making a small dip in the stock, amplifying that to a huge loss. But if you plan on holding long term, as long as the company doesn't go bankrupt, you should be fine. I think it will keep growing and expanding, and I'm definitely looking to buy some stocks for myself, but I'm not a financial advisor. You could definitely wait for the initial hype to die down and maybe wait for the stock to dip before buying. At the end of the day, this is for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you guys going to be buying some? Are you guys not going to be buying some? Will you guys be waiting? I want to know. Let's have a discussion in the comments. But yeah, that's been it, guys. Peace.